at Donner Lake. It's approximately 4 something. There's a great big wind. I just paid someone to fix my car. Spent hundreds of dollars in hotel, etc. to come get it. Got to see my son. That was the good part. And the reality is, you know what? These clothes need washed. These clothes need washed. And so does my hair. Look at. That is Donner Lake. And I think I should go get a beer or something and come down here. And yeah, the people that told me about this, I thought it was just a little ways. It's quite a ways down here. And remember, if you got anything stuffed in, take the stuffings out. Those are just for the sweat.